Hello everyone, today we will discuss what you can expect when you take the subject history at the IAB. First of all, there is a difference between the subjects that you get in standard and higher level history. For standard level, you get authoritarian regimes, Cold War, civil rights and protests. And the authoritarian regimes that you will discuss will be Cuba, so about Castro, Soviet Union about Stalin, China and Mao, German Empire and Hitler, and also possibly Nasser from Egypt. However, in my school we didn't discuss him. For higher level you have the German unification, you have the Italian unification as well, again we didn't discuss that one, and Tsarist Russia and the Soviet Union. For your exam, you will get for standard level paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is a source analysis and is the paper which overall students get the highest score on. So the advice is to really study the source analysis and practice it so you can get a high grade easily. And another tip for the exam is that you get in total 6 questions. You can choose 3 questions from overall 6 questions which you would like to answer. So it's possible that you want to answer 2 questions about the Cold War because you didn't study civil rights and protests that well. So that's how you can really choose the subject that you find most interesting or the easiest and study that one best, and in that way get a higher grade. For example, in our school we didn't do German unification that well, so I decided to really focus on the Soviet Union and Tsarist Russia because it also includes in the standard level course, and then I know a lot about it and I can answer the most questions. For the internal assessment for history, you have to write an historical investigation, which is an essay. The body has to be, I believe, around 1,000 or 1,500 words. But what is really the difficult and interesting part about historical investigation is at the beginning you have to do a source analysis and say how this source is reliable. The advice for the IA is to, first of all, choose a topic you're really interested in and a topic that could be relevant or to the subjects you're already discussing in history. So for my IA, I chose a question about the end of the Cold War to again include the Cold War in as many ways possible, so I know that very well. And also a tip for the historical investigation is that if you pick a source, pick the source you use the most, because in many papers people pick a source they have used, but not the one they actually used a lot. Then it's way less relevant to your IA. Thank you for watching and I hope that helps.